welcome back to 539. So we are going into another nature preserve here, and I found, I believe, on the side of the road to be one of the tiniest cemeteries that I've ever seen. It's in the middle of a nature preserve, and there's also this kind of weird place nearby. I'm not sure if we're gonna make it a two-part series or if we'll just include it in this. I guess it depends on how long this takes. So there's this place and it's called The Spot, and that's all it's listed as. Oh, and already we're running into wild turkey traffic. Holy, that is a lot of them. Interesting. It's looking like there may be horse traffic back here as well. Alright, it's looking like it's just down this road here to the left. Yeah, I think that's it right there. Wow. This is really, really interesting. Alright, let's go ahead and pull off to the side of the road here. So I'm really not sure what the history of this place is. I'm gonna see if there's any historical documents or plaques or anything up here. If not, I may actually try and do a little bit of research for this place, because it's really just kind of fascinating. It's this incredibly small place just on the side of the road, and I wasn't really sure what we'd find when we get here. So here we are. See, there are some flowers left behind. The graves definitely appear to be from the late 1800s, early 1900s, possibly. It's kind of hard to tell. I'll go ahead and zoom in and try and get a little bit clearer of a view. The only thing I can make out here is September 15th, that it looks like. I'm not seeing any years. And being as small as it is sure locked up incredibly tight. So I thought maybe there would be an historical plaque over here, but it's just saying that it's a protected area for birds. Alright. Well, that was pretty cool though. Let's go ahead and head down the road here to this hiking trail that leads to the spot, or whatever that entails. I'm not really even sure what we're gonna find back there. There was some weird kind of creepy photographs online of it. So, who knows? trying to find a good place to park. I'm not even sure if we're allowed to go back there right now. It says there was some kind of project going on, but I can't tell if that was supposed to be on the side of the road or not. So I'm gonna have to turn around and take another look. But you can see, whatever it is just this incredibly dense collection of evergreen trees, and somewhere in it is called The Spot. Well, I did end up seeing them among the trees there, and I saw their truck. So that's kind of strange and a little bit eerie that the exact place where these creepy, really dense section of evergreen trees are, and only known as The Spot, is actually currently closed off to the public. But we're gonna be coming back to this area again sometime tomorrow afternoon to finish filming another area as well. So maybe I can come back then, because it looked like they just started working, whatever they happen to be doing. And there was a couple other sections that were closed off as well. So maybe we can figure out what was being done back there and get a look at it. But kind of adds to that, like I said, eerie feeling, because it just felt like a creepy location to begin with, especially with the name. And yeah, I don't know what we're gonna find, but maybe we'll make it into the second part of the series. I'm not sure if we'll just add it onto the tail end of this or what, but at any rate, if this is the end, thank you all for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed this tiny little cemetery on the side of the road here in the middle of this giant nature preserve. And I will see all of you in our next adventure.